Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to another Tip Tuesday. My name is Henry Arth. I'm an account manager here at IndySoft Corporation, and today I wanted to show you a future feature coming out for the TechSync module. So this will be coming out with the 12.0.39 release in the next week or two. So here we're talking about a single user database syncing back to a multi-user database after they don't have connection. So you're out in the field and you don't have internet access. So how do you secure certificate numbers with the other single user technicians that are out there and the multi-user database? Well, we've given you a very simple checkbox feature server side in order to enforce policy that will secure uniqueness along the way. So if you actually just pop into your server here and you go to Indy Secure Server, we're going to then go to the starter DB setup. And that's our database, so we're just going to keep going. And TechSync settings. So right here, you're going to probably notice it looks very similar to the way it did before, if you've ever looked at the screen, that is. At the bottom there, though, you see there's Use Global Unique Cert Number Format. So for those of you who have used IndySoft for a long time and have already dealt with this issue, and you have a very specific way of going about this, painstakingly came up with a formula, you can simply ignore this and uncheck it. But for the rest of you who really want to make sure that you're enforcing this policy and you're not relying upon single user workstations to kind of change your settings along the way and user location settings, then go ahead and press this. And once you save this and blow through this, that starter database then on the weekend is going to create on its own. Your single user workstation is going to pull in that starter database. And once they actually create a new one and stuff their companies inside of it, it will push this policy out. So what does this look like as far as a single user is concerned, and what do you need to take into account for your actual certificate templates? So first of all, we're going to be using a 16-digit kind of formula here for your certificates, as you can see down here in the bottom right-hand corner. So for your certificate templates, if you kind of have your cert number and you only have kind of 7 or 8 digits right now, and it's kind of jammed into the side, you're probably going to want to move that and center it, or at least give it enough space for 16 characters. Okay, so that's going to be the one thing you would probably have to change in your layouts and your formats. So other than that, though, the formula there, we're taking the first 5 characters are going to be from employee initials. So the user that is logged in is associated with an employee in the add edit employee list, and then on the step 2 of added employees, then that's where we're actually going to be pulling that initial from. If you're only using 3 characters, then we're going to kind of pad it with some zeros in there. And then we're going to go month, day, year, MMDDYY, followed by seconds in the day. So we're really kind of dialing in on a very precise time along with your employee initials to kind of give us a very secure, feeling good certificate number. So just wanted to show you a cool feature that we've been working on that you can use in real world applications. Hope you enjoy it and hope you have a great Tuesday. Happy calibrating.